In this video, we will discuss customizing intercom messages for a clinic in A-dec Plus. To customize messages, the user must be in an admin role for the clinic. Begin by navigating to the More tab. Next, confirm you are in the desired clinic. Then, select Manage A-dec Plus Intercom. Here you can customize quick messages or quick replies. To customize a message or reply, select your desired message. Edit the text. Then press Save. Your updated message will automatically be synced with devices registered to the clinic. If you have additional questions, please call customer service at 1-800-547-1883. A helpful A-dec associate is just an email or phone call away. That's one thing you can always count on.